Action! The school is big. Our class is upstairs. Come with me. This is the class. We are in 6.
Wow, really nice. This is a technological classroom.
What can use mobile phone?
What is the wardrobe?
On the wardrobe there are computers.
Have you got a computer?
There are also books in the wardrobe.
Yes, there are.
Look, there is a printer and a computer.
Are there 20 desks?
No, there are 25 desks.
Is there on a blackboard?
Look, there are 2 boards. This board is technological.
Are there 3
No.
windows